Hi guys! It's been a while since I have been on here. The past couple months I've been dealing with first trimester pregnancy morning sickness. So I'm very excited to be coming out of that and getting back to creating some YouTube video content for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out this Foil Quill hot foil pen by We Are Memory Keepers. So I just got this last week. I'm very excited to use it. You may have seen some videos on Instagram of it. You can use it on paper, leather, potentially wood, all sorts of things. So I'm going to be testing it on leather. So keep watching if you're interested in seeing how this tool works and seeing if it might be something that you want to pick up. Alright, so I set up my workspace. I'm going to be foiling on this fake leather wallet in the corner, and the Foil Quill pen is plugged in, and you know that it is heating up because there's a little light down here. There's no on and off switch, so the second you plug in the USB into a battery pack or a wall socket or your computer, it will simply light up, and then to turn it off you just need to unplug it. So that's been heating up for a few minutes now. It also comes with a roll of heat activated foil to get you started, so you don't have to purchase some separately in the very beginning. So I've cut a piece off, and then I've done my best to tape it down. So it says, you know, use low-tack tape, so I'm using washi tape, which is great for this, and obviously won't leave any sort of stickiness in the leather. It's not sticking great, so depending on the tape you use, it might stick a little better than mine, but I think it'll do the job of holding the foil in place. And then because I'm writing in this lower corner, I did write out in pencil first the message that I was going to be writing in calligraphy, just to make sure that it fit, because that would be really bad if I started writing and then I ran out of room. So I might adjust a little as I'm writing, but you can write out your message beforehand in pencil if you want to be very precise or you have a very intricate design that you're writing. Okay, so this has been heating up. They tell you to heat it up for 5 minutes, so it's probably been about 6 minutes at this point. So I think I'm going to start, and it has this little silicone grip. I can feel that it's warm, so obviously do not touch the tip to test it. Just look for the light to make sure it's on. I'm using like medium pressure. I don't really know how much pressure to push, but it's definitely melting the foil. And it's very easy to write with, very comfortable. Feels, you know, nice and smooth. And because this is like a normal pen, it's easy to grip. I just hope this is sticking. I guess I should have tested it. I don't know. But that's kind of how I roll. Just jump right in. I'm writing at a, I don't know if this is a fast pace. I mean, this is how I normally write. It might be a little fast. Might need to slow down slightly. Oh well, if I ruin this wallet, I've got a second one. Alright, and I'm just going to do this as a monoline. I'm not going to be going back and adding any thickness like normal, you know, calligraphy nibs would do. I'm a little nervous to take this off. Okay. Might as well. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh, you know what I might do before I go any further? The foil's definitely sticking, which is great. I think on some of these, my cross strokes on like my T, I went a little fast, so it skipped on this textured surface. I'm gonna go back over it just to see if it helps. It might also just make it look worse. You guys are on the ride with me. Okay, let's keep peeling, okay? Oh, maybe I should do that down here too before I pick up the Y. I am very excited about this. So the foil stuck beautifully. Like I said, well, and you guys saw, I was writing pretty much at the normal speed that I do. I would say, yeah, slow down. I have a tendency to do my crosses on letters pretty quickly because I want them to look fluid, and that's just how I write. So maybe slowing down on those, I think would be good advice. But this is the, oh, I forgot to mention, this is the fine tip. It's a really good tip size for finer lettering. They have, I believe, 3 different sizes. So if you want a broader one or a thicker one, I guess, you can go with a different size, but this was perfect for lettering and would be really great for, you know, calligraphers if you're writing initials or writing words like I just did. And this gold foil that they include is beautiful. Obviously matches this wallet because it's got gold hardware. Now you wouldn't want to throw away this foil because you can see how much I have left. So I actually, just for fun, on my desk I have my Warby Parker glasses case. So I just did a little B in the corner and it came out perfectly. Wrote at the same speed. No issues with foil transfer. Very fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I will put a link to where you can purchase this Foil Quill pen from in the description box below. Let me know if you guys have any questions after watching the video about how to use it, and potentially in the future I'll do a video using it on multiple different surfaces so you can kind of see what works best and maybe some mediums that don't work so well with it. And I will see you in the next video.